uh, sanitize the laptop and bring it home. So now connect it. So now these days the laptop cords are like very sleek. So first we have to connect this one. Okay, I can have the here. Yes. You can see. Oh, it's like a little bit heavy.
Because it has a touch screen which is glass.
Turn on the laptop. Oh, you know the turn on switch is here. So okay. I didn't like it because it doesn't have like numlock key.
Oh, because all the small laptops they don't have non-lock. Because there is no space.
How?
Only laptops which are big, more than 15 inch, they have non-lock.
So it's a 14-inch laptop, right? 14-inch laptop. Convertible.
There is a huge difference between 14 and
So
15.
you can remove this one.
Hmm?
Can I remove this one?
No. You should not. Don't even try. Maybe you can just completely turn it
Oh.
like this.
Oh.
Or usually what the people the way they use like this.
Oh.
Your region is set to
United
United
States.
Kingdom.
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Do you
Then
want to stick with that?
yes.
Yes.
Do you also type with another
Skip.
keyboard layout?
Yeah, skip.
So the good thing to this laptop, I like the touch screen option and also the foldable option that you can fold it. But it's a little bit heavy.
Yeah, because of that screen which is of glass.
And
They are in the number one.
And this is
You know you can also zoom there.
oh wow.
And they have a separate ink pen, $20-30. You can write and do whatever you want.
Oh, I can use that pen, right? Okay, 8 GB RAM.
Yeah, for
62
me,
bit processor.
yeah, for me, I will upgrade it to 32 GB RAM so that it will be very fun. I can use it later.
What's the graphics card?
It doesn't have a graphics card. The graphics card comes inbuilt, whatever you get with the processor. It is because every processor comes with an inbuilt graphics card, but it doesn't have a dedicated discrete graphics card. It has an inbuilt processor graphics card.
Also, we can know how.
Yeah, you can see it if you on the desktop. If you right click,
Wait.
window logo D is a desktop, and right the settings.
It's brown. It's brown.
But here
Wrong.
advanced no go to scroll on the right hand side, scroll down,
What color is this? It's dark.
advanced
Yellow.
display settings, advanced display settings there.
Yellow.
Okay,
yellow.
but still it doesn't show.
What color is this?
Okay,
So-
but I know that, but I mean it has a Intel. You can see it in the device manager actually.
Red.
Hold and press on the
Red.
computer, my PC icon.
What color is this?
Like go to Windows Explorer. Okay. Another thing you can do, window logo R,
It's green.
window key and R. Put DX DIAG.
DIAG.
DX DIAG. DX diag.
DX DIAG.
G as in girl. Enter.
It's yellow.
Yes. Yes.
What color?
So here you can see all your components
Uh-huh.
as usual. So this is the desktop component, BIOS, everything. DirectX 12 display. Go to display on the top. This shows all your graphics cards. Approximate total memory is when it is released, launch date Q3 of third quarter, means in November December.
This
time
is
frame.
really.
This is released, and this processor, because this laptop comes with that processor, right? The graphics can use provided you have that much memory. We don't have that much memory because we have only 8 GB of RAM. When we install more RAM, it can utilize those RAM as graphics memory. But it's a decent graphics card.
Yeah.
It supports 4K also.
Okay. So the screen is 4K? 4K?
No, this is full HD because I purposefully didn't want 4K because with this tiny display, it doesn't really make sense to get 4K.
So, what other things you can change from this laptop?
The laptop I bought it because I thought I can upgrade it to, because I was looking for a laptop where I can buy the laptop with the minimum configuration that comes with, but I do have the option to upgrade. So that was my thought process, to buy a cheaper laptop where it comes with less memory and all these things, but I will have the option to upgrade later, because the more you buy the laptops that comes pre-installed, they cost a lot more. But that's what. But this laptop thankfully supported it tells it can support up to 32 GB RAM. If it does not, I have to return it, but that's what is the thought process, so that I can buy with only 8 GB RAM and I can upgrade it to 32 GB.
From 8 to 32 GB you can upgrade from
Yes.
8 GB to? Okay. But I think when you upgrade, you can upgrade up to like 8 means 8, 8, 16. Like you can do
Yeah,
it.
but the maximum is 16, 16, 32 they are saying.
Oh,
Theoretically, this processor can support up to 64 GB, but I don't know if this laptop will support,
that's
because
what
it comes with also your NVMe drive, which is very, very fast.
Oh, it comes with NVMe? Oh, that's a good one. Because I have worked in NVMe laptop that really works really fine.
Yeah.
The
laptop I have,
is like
what is that?
whether first we have to check whether it's working for like video editing and all this like 3D modeling. These things, if the laptop supports, then it's a really good one. Because
You try it, because we try with my other laptop that's also NVMe. If that works for you, otherwise, if this works for you,
if it
otherwise,
works for like a Revit, AutoCAD, and a 3D detailing and all this video editing, then it's definitely a good one.
yeah, yeah.
Again,
I mean, I think it will work for AutoCAD, the kind of work you are doing, because you are not doing a lot of rendering, right? Rendering is the one takes a lot of processing power. If you are doing regular AutoCAD, a little bit of high-end laptop like this should work. I don't see any issues. Only rendering takes a lot
but
of processing power.
and video editing also takes a lot.
Yeah, video editing takes a lot.
editing takes a lot. The touchscreen also very nice. It's not lagging and all this stuff. The keyboards are also soft key.
And this good thing is it's a mid range between your 13 inch and 15 inch.
Yeah.
It's not too big like 15 inch, but it's not too small like that. So that's why I thought.
And for the price range also, it's like
Yeah, it's just $600. How less you can go? This laptop I think does have better cooling system compared to the 13-inch laptop. I think this laptop has a better cooling system. You see the vents which takes the incoming air and they just eject the air here. I guess it will be a little bit cooler than my 13-inch laptop, hopefully. Let's see. And you see here, it supports the pen, which is an active pen. That's good. Type-C port is here.
600. I think it's a really value for your money, and I kind of like this one. So if you're looking for a laptop with like a touch screen and all this stuff, it's a good one. And also, like, it's not just only for touch screen, it's also the processor and all these stuffs also really good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.